Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. Let me check out the stream first. Okay, it seems to me the stream is working fine and you can see the euro dollar currency price action. Okay, let's see if you guys could notice this. USD currency pair, uh, most likely getting action print a new high first, and after that expect a drop in price action. Okay. Okay, so the way I see, expect more upside in euro dollar currency pair. The second Elliott wave count suggests price action is going to drop from current levels around 1.6 area. So my forecast is bullish. We got these tweezer bottom over here. Market tries to break below the support level. So far only a failure. And the way I see, market is just going to move sideways, and then after that expect further upside inside euro dollar currency pair. Next, let us take a look at United States dollar index. The DX is most likely going to drop and it's going to print a new low. Okay, so wave B is going to complete over here. Okay, so the way I see, expect more decline in price action of USD index. Okay, next let's take a look at even the 1 hour time frame. If you check out the 1 hour chart, you notice that we got this top over here. This is just a spike in price action, that's all. And overall market has failed to breaks above 99.39 price level, okay, inside United States dollar index. So the way I notice and the way I see, it's a downtrend. Sellers in control of the market. Okay. Next one is the GBPUSD currency pair. Inside GBPUSD currency pair, notice how market clearly hit the 0.786 level and then bounce back up. This is the 4 hour time frame. So based on this potential bullish Elliott wave patterns, this pattern is called the bullish running triangle pattern. The way I see, market is going to move sideways a little bit and then it's going to print bullish wave D, expect bearish wave E, and then further upside. Okay. Next one is the Aussie dollar currency pair. AUDUSD currency pair, it seems to me market is probably going to rise up more. Another idea is that market might try to drop lower first. Okay, it's possible that we see a decline in price action first, and then market is going to print a new high. But overall, it's an uptrend going on. Let's take a look at New Zealand dollar versus United States dollar currency pair. Now in NZDUSD currency pair, it's a nice uptrend going on. If you take a look at the rainbow, let me zoom out a little bit. You can see there's a nice uptrend going on inside the 1 hour time frame. If you check out the 4 hour time frame, same story, nice bullish uptrend. So the way I see, I expect further upside, but we're getting the pattern over here. Sometimes when you trade and forecast the market with Elliott wave, what happens is that what looks like an ending diagonal turns out to be some kind of a bullish running triangle. So I'm going to present my second Elliott wave count as well. Okay, so this is also known as plan B or alternative Elliott wave count, and it's very important to have minimum 2 Elliott wave counts, the plan A, the preferred Elliott wave count, and then the second one, the plan B, the alternative Elliott wave count. In this way, market is not going to give you a surprise. So the second Elliott wave count is that this is wave A, okay, and we got this bullish leg, so this is wave B. After wave B, we got this wave C, and then we got wave D. Okay, let's go over here. So we got A, B, C. No, this is D. Sorry about that. Okay, and then expect bearish wave E. Okay, and once market is going to complete wave E, maybe wave E has already, over, it's done, or maybe market is going to drop one more time, and we get a drop in price action. After that, expect a bullish leg further. So this is the second Elliott wave count. I'm going to add a question mark sign because maybe we have already seen wave E, or maybe market is going to drop one more time to complete bearish wave E. After that, expect further upside inside NZDUSD currency pair. When you do the market analysis, you need to keep an open mind. You work with different possibilities. If the preferred Elliott wave count is going, then obviously you go with that. Now here, look at this triangle pattern. If price action is going to break out of the triangle, then obviously this is the pattern, this is the setup, and I would prefer to look for buy trading opportunities. Okay. Let me test this trend. Okay, so it's quite possible that this is wave A, B, C, D, and maybe market is going to drop a little bit lower to complete bearish wave E. After wave E, expect further bullish price action. Now, if market is going to start the decline, like if it breaks below this most recent swing low somewhere over here, okay, then obviously I would be looking for potential sell trading opportunities. So this is the Elliott Wave forecast related to NZDUSD currency pair. Okay, next let us take a look at US dollar Swiss franc. Now USD Swiss franc, you can see how well this resistance level is holding up. So far I did not get a single bullish candlestick close above this resistance level. Let me show you what I mean by that. If market is really going to change the downtrend inside the Swiss franc currency pair, then a bullish candlestick above the most recent swing high, and so far we haven't got nothing. Just a retest, or market tries to test over here and failed. Here's another one. Okay, so maybe this is wave A, B, C, D, and E, and then market is going to drop lower inside US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Now you might not see the ABCD, so let me label it. Okay, US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. If you have any questions, you can type inside the chat box, and after the analysis I will check it out. Okay. I'm going to remove all of these trend lines. Okay, so it seems to me we could get this, a possible bearish triangle scenario over here. And I'm going to extend this trend line backwards. Okay, and draw one A, B, C, D. So this is the lowest part over here. Okay. As far as the wave count is concerned, I'm also going to label it as well. Okay, so this is most likely wave A, wave A, wave B down over here, A, B, probably wave C, wave C. Then I got possible wave D. Okay, and after that expect the wave E, and it seems to me we already got wave E, but do not just jump into the market. Okay, we need a breakdown in price action. Okay, so I'm waiting for the price action to break out of this bearish triangle pattern. The overall trend is down. Let me unselect. So that's the Elliot wave count, A, B, C, D, A, E, and then I think price action is probably going to drop. And once we get the break to the downside, we can look for sell trading opportunities. Okay, so far the analysis says that we did not manage to see a bullish breakout above 0.8249 price level inside US dollar Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm bearish. I'm looking for potential sell trading chances or sell trading opportunities. Next one is the USDCAD. We got a nice break up in price action. I told you guys yesterday that we got the breakout over here, and this was the breakout level. So we did get a bullish break to the upside. Now what's next? Let's remove all of this, check out the higher time frame. Okay, as far as the 4-hour chart is concerned, to me it is still a downtrend going on. You can check out the rainbow as well. Right over here it's down, it's going lower. Even the daily time frame rainbow, we got a twist, and it's curling to the downside. It looks bearish. If you check out the higher time frame like the weekly chart or a monthly time frame, it's actually a bullish scenario. So sooner or later those time frames are also going to turn bearish as well. So if you check out the smaller one like the 1 hour, where it's a downtrend going on, so far market is trying to find some support over here. This is the level right over here. So this area is basically providing support. So as soon as price action is going to breaks below 1.3668 level, we might get further drop in price action. So we got this pullback over here. That's a short-term pullback, and if market is going to breaks this support level, and let's say if we get some kind of a bearish. Okay, change the color to black over here and increase the width. So if we do get a bearish candlestick below 1.3668 level, then I might be interested for potential sell trading opportunities. Otherwise, just let it go. Wait outside. Next one is the spot gold. You can check out the individual video regarding the spot gold, which I already uploaded earlier today on my YouTube channel. Regarding the spot gold market is most likely going to move sideways and then it's going to rise up further. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. Let me see if you have any questions. Let's see, go to the live stream. No questions. Okay, so far no question. That's fine. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the time being from my side. I will try to host the another live stream tomorrow, same time. So from